here at the Logan Hotel in downtown Philadelphia, and one of the things that stands out about this hotel for me is just how modern and basically modern and artsy that this hotel is. So if you're an artsy type of individual, this is the hotel to stay. As you just walk through the lobby, from everything from the lobby to your room, you'll see these modern art pieces that you just can't help but stop and pause and appreciate. They also have a restaurant here. It's a steakhouse. It's called Urban Farmer. Now, I haven't been there for dinner. I'm not sure if they serve lunch, but I've been there for breakfast, and the breakfast is very good. I highly recommend the vegetable frittata. The vegetable frittata is made with all seasonal vegetables and favorites and local mushrooms grown right here in Pennsylvania, which apparently is the mushroom hub of the United States. So just one of the things to know. Also, when you get your bill and you're finishing up your breakfast at the Urban Farmer restaurant, I was surprised and delighted to see that I was gifted a packet of seeds. So this is my pack of cucumber seeds that I will definitely be planting on my way home. I just thought it was such a cool touch point. Now, if you're staying here with kids, you'll be delighted to know that upon check-in, your kids do receive a toy. So usually, hopefully, if they haven't run out, the person who's checking you in will give you a basket, give your kids a basket of goodies where they can select 1 or 2 toys that they will be happy to stay with.
Somewhere where we know we can be heroes for just one day.